Dear students, let us begin a new day by asking the blessings from the Almighty. So today, chapter 3, part 3, the linear pair of equation two variable, solving the equation. The first method, solve the equation. The first method is over, and today second one is elimination method and another one is cross multiplication method. So we will discuss about the two methods. So for examination you can do any method. If it is asked the question, solve the equation by elimination method or substitution method or cross multiplication method, you have to follow. Otherwise you can do which one you are comfortable. You are comfortable with the substitution method, then go by substitution method, or you are comfortable with the elimination method, then go to the elimination method, or you are very good in cross multiplication method, you can do. But if instruction, special instruction is there, so you obey that special instruction. Now today we will discuss about the two methods. Which are the two methods? One is One is elimination method and cross multiplication. Elimination method. So two questions are here. 9x minus 4y equal to 2000. That is equation number 1. Second one is 7x minus 3y equal to 2000. That is equation number 2. Now what to do is multiply equation number 1 by 3 and equation number 2 by 4. Okay. Now equation number 1 by 3. Equation number 1 is 9x minus 4y equal to 1. We have to do 3 multiply. 9 3s are 27x. 4 3s are 12y and 3 2s are 6000. So that is new equation, equation number 3. Now equation number 2. Equation number 2 is 7x minus 3y equal to 2000. अभी इसको second equation है 7x minus 3y equal to 2000 को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करना है ना 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करो. 7 4s are 28. 4 3s are 12y and 4 2s are 8. So 28x minus 12y equal to 8000. That is equation number 4. Now what to do is, now again the two equations, 27x minus 12y equal to 6000. That is equation number 3. 28x minus 12y equal to 8000. That is equation number 4. Now subtract equation number 3 from equation number 4. अब इसमें से ये माइनस कर लो तो कैसे आएगा 28 minus 27 that is x and minus 12y minus 12y that is getting cancelled and 8000 minus 6000 that is 2000. That is x equal to 2000. Now you put the value, substitute equation 1. x का जो value है 2000 equation number 1 में डालना है. 1 कौन सा है 9x minus 4y equal to 2000. So 9 into 2000 ये minus 4y equal to 2000. 9 2s are 18000 minus 4y equal to 2000 or 16000 equal to 4y or y equal to 16000 divided by 4000. That is equal to 4000. So y equal to 4000. So the value x equal to 2000 and y equal to 4000. Okay. So this is the method to eliminate. First you have to eliminate, either you have to eliminate x, the value of x, or the value of y. Then you substitute that particular value. Okay. So this is the method. Okay. Now the second method is cross multiplication method. Cross multiplication method. And for that, first we need to understand the general formula. What is the general formula? a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. That is the general form of the quadratic equation. The linear equation two variables. The general form linear equation two variables. a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. Then a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. Now first variable x, the coefficient is a1. Second y, the coefficient is b1 and constant is c1. And the second equation, the coefficient of x a2, coefficient of y b2, then c2 equal to 0. Now the equation is, this is the equation you need to remember. This is the equation you need to remember. Okay. Now what is x upon, the equation is x upon b1 c2 minus b2 c1 equal to y upon c1 a2 minus c2 a1 equal to 1 upon A1 B2 minus A2. So that is the most important one. This formula. This is the most important one. X upon B1 C2, that means B1 into C2 minus B2 C1 equal to Y upon C1 A2 minus C2 A1 equal to 1 upon A1 B2 minus A2 B1. So now look at here. Now look at question. 2x plus 3y minus 46. 2x minus, first equation is 2x minus 3y equal to 46. Now this means A1 2, B1 3 and C1 minus 46. इस इक्वेशन में से आप लोग लिख सकते हैं A1 equal to what is A1 2, then B1 equal to 3 and C1 equal to minus 46. Now second equation 3x plus 5y minus 74. इसमें से A2 3 and B2 plus 5 and C2 minus 74. So you can find out A1, B1 or C1, A2, B2 and C. Okay? From the equation we need to find out A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C. So here 2x plus 3y minus 46 equals 0. A1 equal to, B1 equal to 3 and C1 equal to minus 46. Here A2 equal to 3 and B2 equal to 5 and C2 equal to minus 70. Okay. Now use the formula x upon B1 C2. That means B1 C2. What is that? B1 C2 x upon 3 into minus 74. 3 into minus 74. B1 C2 3 into minus 74 minus 5 into 46 equal to y upon minus 46 into 3 minus of minus 74 into 2 equal to 1 upon 2 into 5 minus 3 into 6. Now 3 into minus 74 minus 222 minus here you are 2 minus plus, so 5 into 46 230 minus 46 into 3 minus 138 minus plus 74 into 2 equal to 148 equal to 1 by 10 minus 9. That is x upon 8 equal to y upon 10 equal to 1 upon 1. So now you compare this one, these two. If x upon 8 equal to 1 by 1, then x equal to 8. Then x upon 10 equal to 1 by 1, then x equal to 8. So the values are x equal to 8 and x equal to 10 are the solution of the equation. Okay. So this is cross multiplication method. Okay. So you can use elimination method or cross method. So get practice for the elimination. Exercises are there, more examples are there, exercises are there. So do it, complete it and get more practice for these two. This is elimination method and this method is known as cross multiplication method. Second one is cross multiplication. Second method is cross multiplication method. And the second method is cross multiplication method. Okay. Now you need to complete exercise 3.5 and also equation page number 63, reducible to pair of equation. That means statements are given. You need to convert the statement. From the statement you need to convert that into equation. Then you find the solve the equation. That example number 19 on page number 65. A boat goes 30 km upstream and 44 km downstream 10 hours. And 13 hours it can go about 40 km. And in 13 hours it can go 40 km upstream and 55 km downstream. Determine the speed of the stream and that of the boat. It's very important. 2020 में प्रिलिमिनरी में पूछा था, तो ये बोर्ड में भी आपको पूछ सकता है. इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. सो इट्स ऑलरेडी सॉल्व्ड, आप टेक्स्ट बुक में सॉल्व किया है, तो आप क्या इक्वेशंस बनाया, इक्वेशन बनाकर सॉल्व किया है. सो प्लीज कंप्लीट इट. एंड ऑल्सो एक्सरसाइज 3.6 exercise 3 point optional. In 68 optional questions are there, leave it. Now exercise page number 67, exercise 3.6, altogether 8 questions are there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 questions are there, so please complete it. And here we can conclude this chapter, and we will meet you with a new chapter on the next class. Till then, take care, bye bye.